Hey everybody, how are you doing? I thought today I would show you what I got from HSN. And yes, I love HSN as a crafter. When their 24-hour craft-a-thon comes on, I'm doomed. I've gotten better about restraining, but there are a few things that they show that you can't help it. So I'm going to show you what I got, and this is one of the things I got, and it is the Crafter's Companion auto ship. Well, what I did, the only one that I was really interested in, because I got the Gemini and this goes along with the Gemini, I canceled my auto ship because I don't want to get it every month. You know, because sometimes I might not have the money, you know, it may be going somewhere else, and I don't want every month to be charged for something that I don't even know what I'm getting. This, I knew what I was getting because they showed it. And what is nice about HSN, they'll let you cancel any auto ship, so that's cool. You're not obligated. So I think that's really nice that they do that. But this one, if you're all into scrapbooking or card making, this you're really gonna like. You're gonna like this. And so I thought what I would do is I would unbox it and show you. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so this is what the front of the box looks like. And like I said, there are 12 of these boxes that they send out. I did not want all of them because a couple of them they showed and I wasn't interested, and I thought, you know what, you don't know, at least it didn't say on the show what you were getting. So I didn't want to be obligated to pay for something I didn't even know what I was getting. Now some people love it because it's a surprise, and I get that, but for me, I just didn't want to do it. So with HSN, like I said, what's good is they will go ahead and they will let you cancel an auto ship anytime you want. So all I did is I got the first one. I want to show you what's in it for anyone that might like scrapbooking. You could use some of this in a planner, pocket letters, stuffed envelopes. Yeah, so let's get on with it. So that's the front, and I've already opened this, by the way. So I'm just revisiting it with you. So here is an introduction from Sarah, which she's a sweetheart. She's from the UK, really sweet, like her. And it's so pretty. It's tissue paper, and it's wrapped up in this tissue paper. And there's a thank you card. And it comes with, let me get this on so I'm not making all this noise. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get this open, so you wouldn't have to listen to the packaging as much. But I want you to look at all these papers, okay? And they're all different. I think there's 4 of each. Isn't that pretty? And here's this one too. So you get those, and it's nice. It's very nice. It's heavier. And then you get the plain colors. And then you get all different kinds of cards. And for anyone that watches HSN or watches her, you know the kind of cards she makes, and they're all different kinds of cards that you can make. And I'll show you on the front cover again in a minute what these make. I'll show you in a minute. And here are some more, and the envelopes come with all of them. And here's another package. And then she has these rub-ons And I'm very partial to Victorian and shabby chic, so I really like these. And then they have them in white. I don't think you can see this, but this is if you want to put it on dark or black paper. But these are two different kinds. I think it's so pretty. So you get that. And by the way, she'll be on again in August, and I think she's going to do another auto ship. So if you like this at all, stay tuned for it in August. And then here's these like little, not really chipboard, a little bit thinner than that, but really nice. So here's that. And like I said, these don't have to be just for cards. You can put these in planners, you could put them in the envelopes, the pocket letters. And there's 4 of these. There's 4 of these too, each one. But look how pretty. What's the other? I think that's it. And then the flowers, she sends flowers. These are really pretty. And different color pearls. So I'm planning on sending out some cards. And 3 different widths of ribbon. And what I wanted this for, the main reason, were these. And these are the die cut. These are the pieces to make the die cuts for your cards. So I'm going to put this back in and show you the cover now that you've seen this, and then you'll get more of an idea what it can make. I love purple. If you guys follow me, you know purple is my favorite color. All right, so look how pretty. I don't know if I'm getting too close, but if you can tell, you can cut out these words and put them on your cards, and the cards make all these different ones like I told you. This kind where it folds over to the side and you have that corner, and then you can put something else on here. I just love it. And here's that lace that I showed you. Well, it's not lace, it's the die cut. That's what that makes. And then the other one makes this that says, wishing you a happy birthday. So I just wanted to show you this, and like I said, if you are into scrapbooking, planners, I know my friend from Life with London, she's starting planning, and she has her Cricut that she just got for her anniversary. So you might like this, honey. But I want to get back into some of my scrapbooking. And I am going to start pocket letters because I've never done that before. And what's the other thing I was going to do? Well, make cards, of course. So you just never know who I might be sending a card to. So until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that, you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.